पे याद आ रही है, इतना ललचाते हुए बैट्समैन को स्टनर्स के बॉलर्स। और यहाँ पे वाइड बॉल। Oh, what a shot! He flicks it for one run, well fielded by the fielder again. That's a little Stewart over there. Nice proceedings along from the CPL Blasters. The CPL Stunners are bowling up to the mark. Declare for one run. Next up. Oh, wanted to heave it, but the batsman just missed it. So it comes as a dot delivery. Wanted to heave it, and we see action replay again. So that's in completion of 1 over from the Stunners. From the completion of 1 over, we get the scoreboard up to 14. Next bowler, next ball. The umpire, the batsman says no, hesitates a single. What a shot that is, and he faced it, but that effort goes in vain as the batsman just flicks it for a six. What a punch that was. Free hit signal by the umpire. Again he hits it. It's a rooftop. Wanted to get it in out, but batsman just completes it easily. Umpire signals it declared. One run. The next ball from the Stunners bowler. And it's been drived away. The batsman wanted a signal, but the non-striker hesitated it. So it's a dot ball. The batsman needs to improve the running between the wickets. The Stunners are marching on. The Stunners are cruising on with the bowling. And again, the batsman. Oh, oh, oh. And it's been given away for one run as an overthrow. One to go. 4 runs. What a shot that was into the gap. The the umpire first signal four, but then he just recognized it as a 2 runs. After 2 overs, the score for the Blasters is 26 for no loss. The Stunners with the third over now. Oh, batsman wanted to heave it. और यहाँ पे फील्डर गलती करते हुए थोड़ी सी कीपर के हाथ में था पर हाथ को आया मुंह ना लगा. 1 रन यहाँ पे मिलता हुआ बैट्समैन को. Some change in the field, some change in the tactic from the stunners. The blasters are again cruising on and he hits it. He heaves it for a cow corner for 2 runs. बेहतरीन शॉट था ये, फुल टॉस था, काउ कॉर्नर की तरफ से मार दिया था यहाँ पे बैट्समैन ने. नेक्स्ट बॉल अगेन फुल टॉस था, बैट्समैन ने छोड़ दिया यहाँ पे वाइड बॉल और ऊपर से बाय रन मिलता हुआ. Oh, what a shot! Heaved it for a roof. What a shot! Can we see a catch? No, the fielder dives it, but that goes for a 4. A valiant effort, great effort from the fielder. Hard luck to the fielder. The batsman had hit the ball into the gap and the fielder sensed it. No ball, free hit and 2 runs declared. 2 runs declared from the umpire. Oh, what a fielding! Lovely fielding from the bowler itself. खुद के बॉलिंग पे बेहतरीन फील्डिंग करते हुए यहाँ पे अपने बॉलर. नेक्स्ट बॉल रूफ टॉप, लेकिन सिंगल लेने में कामयाब यहाँ पे बैट्समैन. ओवर की समाप्ति यहाँ पे. 3 overs, 40 runs. But the main part is the batsman has not lost a single wicket over here. 3 over 40 रन without a wicket. Next over. हाथ में आता हुआ बॉल, ओ ये लेकिन यहाँ पे मिस फील्ड, लेकिन कोई नुकसान नहीं यहाँ पे. पीछे के फील्डर तैनात थे वहां पे. नेक्स्ट बॉल अगेन एंड द बैट्समैन वांटेड टू हिट इट स्ट्रेट. द एज गोस, ओ लेकिन यहाँ पे ओवर थ्रो को बहुत ही अच्छा यहाँ पे बैक किया है बॉलर ने खुद ने. यहाँ पे वाइड बॉल आता हुआ स्टनर्स की तरफ से. वाइड बॉल अगेन. And he goes for a run out. He goes for a run out. But the umpire, the leg umpire signal as it is a hit wicket. It's a hit wicket, a unique way of dismissal for the batsman. The batsman hits his own asset. The next batsman is Shaurya. With the gloves on, he hits it onto the rooftop. The batsman has clinched a single by running away 1 run. The next ball, oh, wanted to hit it, but the ball just ricochets in his own patch. The batsman needs to score a few offbeat runs. The scores are dried up. They are heaving away, but the ball is ricocheting from the rooftop. The stunners are quite capable of conceding quite less amount of runs. The end of the over, the end of the 4th over. Now we get on with the last over, the 5th over of the innings. Four overs, the score is 45 with 1 wicket. And this is going to be a super over. And the last ball was the last over and it's been hit away. अच्छी खासी फील्डिंग वहां पे करते हुए हम लोग के स्टनर्स के फील्डर वहां पे, और थोड़ी सी ब्लास्टर्स को यहाँ पे ब्लास्ट करने की जरूरत है. ब्लास्ट. Next ball. Oh, wanted to hit it, but it's under edge. But the batsman is successful in clinching over the single. He's running. Next ball from the stunners. Oh, wanted to hit it, but it goes on for the inside edge. Well fielded from the fielder of stunners. सुपर ओवर यहाँ पे चलती हुई. ब्लास्टर्स फायदा उठाओ. कम ऑन ब्लास्टर्स, हिट अ 6 और a 4. कम ऑन, कम ऑन. ओ, इट्स अ रूफ टॉप अगेन. सिर्फ ऊपर मार के एलिवेशन करके कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा. यू हैव टू गेन द स्ट्रेंथ, टू गेन द लेंथ एज वेल. यहाँ पे बाउंड्री क्लियर करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि लास्ट ओवर चल रही है, पावर प्ले ओवर चल रही है. पावर प्ले में हम लोग को सिर्फ पावर की जरूरत नहीं है, पर हम लोग को, एंड इट्स नो बॉल, डेफिनेटली नो बॉल. And we see an anti-climax that the Blasters batsman gets out on a no ball, on a free hit, on a power play over. Next up, oh, what a shot, lovely shot. The fielder has fielded over here and the batsman takes 1 run. What a lovely scenario of cricketing terms all over around. And it's a wicket. The batsman wanted to slog it, but he was unsuccessful in doing so. And as the batsman loses a wicket, the Blasters have scored 0. The Blasters have scored 0 in these runs. So the total sum, the total amount of runs which the Blasters have scored is 45 runs in their 5 overs. Blaster ने score किए हैं 45 runs in their 5 overs. So the Stunners will require 46 runs in total 5 overs to get. Okay, the Blasters are in field. The Blasters are in field. Blasters ने अच्छा खासा स्कोर किया था, लेकिन फाइनल ओवर, पावर प्ले ओवर में विकेट जाने की वजह से उन लोग का स्कोर टैली अमाउंट 0 हो चुका. तो it's a very good lesson for you all guys that don't lose a wicket in a power play. Don't lose a wicket in power play. Play wisely and play well and play calculatively in power play. The score to get for Stunners is 46 runs from their 5 overs. एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Come on guys, एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Can we have the cheer for all of them? Come on, जोरदार तालियां. Come on. Boost everyone. Come on. Stunners versus Blasters. The first ball, wicket up. It's been hit. Very good punch, but equally well are the fielders of the Blasters. एक बॉल एक रन यहां पे आता हुआ. Oh, well played. Well played. Just looking around the things and looking around the surroundings over here. Again, he just heaves it. And the batsman gets on for 1 run. Hit. एक रन यहाँ पे आता हुआ. सिंगल यहाँ पे सिंगल पे सिंगल सिंगल पे सिंगल मिंगल कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे स्टनर्स की टीम. What a shot that was, but equally well fielded. Oh, can we see a run out over here? Can we see the run out over here? Oh, the batsman has completed his crown. It was a sure short hesitation while running, but the batsman just made it in the end. The batsman just made it in the end. Rivan is an underrated player. He's an underrated batter. Oh, what? यहाँ पे. Oh, what scenes are we seeing over here? It's a replica of Dhamal movie. It's a replica of the Dhamal movie. बैट्समैन चूकते हुए और डबल चूकते हुए यहाँ पे फील्डर. रनआउट का एक सिंपल चांस था, बट ब्लास्टर्स ने वो भी मिस कर दिया. रनआउट का एक सिंपल चांस था. द ब्लास्टर्स, you need to be wise, you need to be alert, and the batsmen as well. Batsmen, give a call while running. Yes or no? Have a clarity in your running. Come on. It's a wide ball signaled by the umpire. The Blasters, come on. Can we see them well on track? Oh, it's been shot. Oh, very well fielded. Come on, Jordar Talia. Come on, Blasters. Cheer up for your bowler. Come on, Blasters. Oh, what a shot. What a lovely dig from the batter. Coming up from the Stunners. What x6 एक डॉट x6 एक डॉट और यहाँ पे फिर से एक बॉल डॉट. लेकिन यहाँ पे सिंगल चुराने में कामयाब. यहाँ पे स्टनर्स के बैट्समैन. बहुत ही बेहतरीन किस्म की ये क्रिकेटिंग एक्शन चल रही है. एक्शन पैक क्रिकेटिंग. और यहाँ पे मिस करते हुए डेस्टिनी स्टार्स क्रिकेट अकादमी प्रेजेंट चैंपियंस लीग 2024 गोइंग ऑन. और यहाँ पे ये फुल टॉस को मिस करते हुए यहाँ पे फुल टॉस को यहाँ पे टैप कर दिया बैट्समैन ने. अंडररेट बैटर कीन ऑन इन द प्रोसीडिंग्स. ओवर की समाप्ति यहां पे. After 2 overs, the Stunners have scored 16 runs. The next over, no ball signaled by the umpire. The batsman not itching to get a single. नो बॉल अगेन. यहां पे दूसरी बॉल नो बॉल फेंकते हुए एक के ऊपर एक फ्री नो बॉल मिलता हुआ बैट्समैन को. द स्कोर मूव्स ऑन टुवर्ड्स 18. ओ इट्स अ हीव शॉट, रूफ टॉप शॉट, लेकिन रन नहीं आता हुआ यहां पे. बैट्समैन के बैटर के बैट की तरफ से यहां पे रन नहीं आ रहे हैं, वो डॉट ही जा रहे हैं. वांटेड टू हीव इट, सक्सेसफुल इन गेटिंग 1 run. Next up, oh, it was a full toss, but again missed by the batter. The batter miss करते हुए यहाँ पे pressure mount हो रहा है यहाँ पे Stunners की तरफ से. The Stunners have to strike big. Oh, again it's a well played delivery. The batsman is taking his time, just gardening few of his things. The batter now needs to score quickly, and now heaves it, heaves it, heaves it. The ball rotates and goes on for the single. The batter again hits it. The batter again hits it. एक तरफ से छक्के, क्योंकि इनके इरादे हैं यहाँ पे जीतने के पक्के. It was a very well timed and a very well structured shot from the batter. Scorer, can we have the score, please? Now. Here is the score. Here is the score. The Stunners need 17 runs. 17 रन चाहिए. 2 ओवर में 17 रनों की जरूरत. Stunners need 17 runs in 2 overs. The Blasters need to get up with the dot ball tally. No ball, no ball, no ball. और यहाँ पे रुकाया है. बैटिंग के टीम ने यहाँ पे एक रन ठुकराया है, पर नो का रन आता हुआ. Again a no ball. Again a no ball. We are seeing coincidences of extras over here. Coincidences of. Again, the umpire has signaled a no ball. The umpire is exercising his arms around here. The अंडर प्लेयर खेलने के वजह से बैट्समैन के रन डबल होने वाले हैं इस ओवर के. Again hits it. Can we see a run out? Oh no. Again a fumble. That goes for a tumble. Come on, the Blasters need to up. Blasters पहली मैच भी हार चुके हैं. Again, oh, wisely hit. Wonderful hit. A hit for a 6. Or mere they require 2 runs. Come on, next ball please. ब्लास्टर्स यहाँ पे दूसरी मैच भी हारते हुए, और ये छक्का के साथ ब्लास्टर दूसरी मैच हारते हुए. Cause the Stunners have sand the opponents. The Stunners are here in for the victory. एक हारने के बाद एक जीती है, एक जीतने के बाद एक हारी है ब्लास्टर्स. Next match is between the Warriors versus the Lions. The Warriors versus the Lions.